2009 KZ Inferno Toy Hauler for sale in Douglas, North Dakota 58735. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2009 KZ Inferno Toy Hauler. This luxury toy hauler is 42 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 8 guests. It has been outfitted awning, as well as a leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its clean condition. This 2009 KZ Inferno Toy Hauler is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious toy hauler your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include Corian countertops, 3-burner stove/stove, microwave refrigerator /freezer, double kitchen sink, Dinette 4 television, surround sound, DVD/CD/stereo, cable ready, wraparound sofa, hide-a-bed sofa, stand-up shower, Toile sink, master queen size bed, closet and dresser, 2 beds and back that can be up or down, bottom bed can be 2 couches, Kegerator in back with fridge, extra table in back that pulls up, loft with steps to bed, and much more. This 2009 KZ Inferno Toy Hauler is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences with this luxurious toy hauler. It is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2009 KZ Inferno Toy Hauler can be yours.